Guys, I guarantee you this is beyond tasty, and guys, the scent emanating from this is so wonderful. It reminds me of home. Hello there, wonderful people. Once more, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be making a Kwacoco today, guys. In fact, a Kwacoco Bible. Let's get down to the introduction of the ingredients. I have my grater, without which this cannot be achieved. I have some 4 huge cocoyams here, or we call them Kwacoco. I have, since I don't have the luxury of plantain leaves, I'll be using foil paper and parchment paper. So I'll use the parchment paper inside and then seal up with the foil paper. Maggi, salt, about a tablespoon of ground habanero pepper, some chopped spinach, crayfish, dry fish, and palm oil. So I'm going to show you guys all the ingredients again from above. Alright, the first thing we're going to do, guys, is to peel, wash, and grate our cocoyams. Follow me. Transfer your cocoyams into a bowl and wash. These are our washed cocoyams. The next thing will be to grate your cocoyams. I'm going to be using this grater and this side of the grater. So guys, let's go. Finish with the grating of our cocoyams, so the next thing will be to bring in our ingredients. So I'll start by bringing in my salt. I have approximately 1.5 teaspoons of salt here. Be careful with your salt, guys, so you don't cry foul at the end. So I'm going to be using 1 Maggi cube. Bring in your crayfish. Bring in your pepper. Bring in your chopped spinach, chopped spinach, and your fish. So I'm just trying to get my fish into tiny pieces. Guys, I vividly remember when we used to buy this on the streets of Boya when we're in Boya, Cameroon. Add a little bit of water, mix and taste to ascertain that your Maggi and salt are balanced. Guys, so this is the consistency we want. So guys, the last but one thing we're going to be adding to our Kwacoco Bible will be our palm oil. We want this real yellow, guys. If your Kwacoco is not yellow, is that even a Kwacoco? Keep it aside. So guys, I used approximately 1.5 cup of palm oil. My 100 francs in those days was very important to me because I got to consume this. Very tasty. I think the Backwarians are known for this dish. They make it so yummy. Shout out to my fellow Backwarians watching this video today. You guys are wonderful at this. It's good to give honor to whom honor is due, guys. All right, so we are at the final stages, and the next thing to do will be to seal this up in either your plantain leaves if you have. I don't have the luxury of that, so I'm going to be using, as I earlier said, my parchment paper and aluminium foil. So guys, I'm going to get a pot and use a support like this, but I'm going to be turning it upside down because it's too tall. Guys, you need a support under your pot, either corn sticks or stainless steel of choice. So I'm going to keep this aside. Get a parchment paper and some foil. Place the foil underneath the parchment paper and scoop in your Kwacoco. Form a cylindrical mass and fold. Secure the edges like this and then seal with the folio. And also secure the edges. So this is what we got, guys. Continue and do the rest. Place in the pot. Continue and do the rest, and I'll see you later. Add some water to your pot. Cover this up, take to a stove and boil. See you later, guys, with the results. Guys, this has been cooking for some time now, and I guess it's ready. So I'm going to show you guys the end results. This is gonna be yummy, man. Oh my god. Oh Lord. Guys, please follow this recipe and make some for yourself. I wish you guys were here with me to enjoy this. Alright guys, I'm gonna be digging in. Guys, I really appreciate you all. I don't get to tell you that, but I really appreciate you all. Do well to subscribe, like and share. And for those who are already my Pop people, thank you guys so much for staying. I really appreciate. May God bless you all. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.